Hi guys, my name is Lakshay Hussain. Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing 5 basic bachata moves. Let's go! So guys, the first move that we'll be doing is the basic, or also known as the side basic, right? So we'll start in the first position, that is with our legs together. Now with our left leg, we'll take a step towards our left. We go 1. On 2, you go together with your right leg. 2. On 3, you again step your left leg. 3. And on 4, you step your right leg to go together. 4. Right? We'll repeat this. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So now on 4, I want you to tap your leg. Right? So I want you to tap, do not place, right? So 4, we finished on 4, right? So for 5, I want you to step your right leg towards your right. You go 5, 6 is your left leg together, 7 is your right leg open, and 8 is your left leg tap, right? So now let's do 1 to 8 together. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So this is the side basic. Let's do it on counts and then we'll show it on music. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Now let's try this on music. So guys, the next move that we'll be doing is known as the forward basic, right? So just like our side basic, we'll be utilizing all the 8 counts. Also, we'll start our one with our left leg, right? So we go 1. Now on 2, instead of bringing my right leg together, I take my right leg further forward. I go 2. 3 is my left leg, and on 4, I tap my right leg, right? Now for 5, I take my right leg back. I go 5, 6, 7, and 8 is a tap, right? So if I do the forward basic slowly on counts, it looks like 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, right? So that was your forward basic on counts. Now let's try this on music. So guys, that was the forward basic on music. Now moving forward, we'll do the left turn, right? So as the name suggests, left turn basically means we'll be taking a turn towards or over our left shoulder, right? So let's first do a side basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, your left turn starts on 1, right? So on 1, I will step with my left leg and I will face the side I am going. I will go 1, right? Now on 2, I will pick my right leg up and I will face the back wall, right? So I go 2. On 3, I will pick my left leg up and I will place it so that I take a complete turn, right? And on 4, I tap my right leg, right? Let's try it again slowly. I go 1, I go 2, I'll take a 3 and I tap 4. right? So now to finish things off, I take a 5, 6, 7, 8, a half basic to finish off my bar, right? So let's try this on counts and then we'll shift to music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was the left turn on counts. Now let's try this on music. Right, so guys, now we just did the left turn. Now it's time for our right turn, right? So similar to the left turn, when I was traveling towards my left and taking a turn, I will travel towards my right and do the same, right? So for a right turn, we start with 1, 2, 3, tap, right? So now I will be traveling towards my right and taking the turn. So I go 5. On 5, I am looking towards my right hand side. On 6, I am again looking towards the back wall. Now on 7, I will pick my right leg up and I will take it forward. So this is 7. And on 8, I go for a tap, right? Let's try this again slowly. We go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, basic. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, right? So that was the right turn on counts. Now let's try this on music. Right, so guys, that was the right turn. Now moving towards the fifth and the last step for today's video, we'll be doing a diagonal basic, right? So as the name suggests, diagonal basic, we'll be moving diagonal, but there is a little twist in our footsteps, right? So we'll just practice that. We go on 1, we were supposed to take our left leg. We'll do just that, taking it neither on the side nor forward but diagonally forward, right? So I go 1. Now on 2, I take my right leg together, right? So 3, it was supposed to be my left leg, right? But now on 3, I'll take my right leg towards my right diagonal, right? So I take a 3. On 4, I take my left leg towards my right leg and I go for a tap, right? We'll try again. I go for 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now as I have finished my 4 on my left leg, I have tapped my left leg. I'll start my 5 with my left leg, right? Taking my left leg diagonally backwards, right? So I go for 5. On 6, I take my right leg and I go for a together. I go together. On 7, I take my right leg diagonally backwards. I go 7, and on 8, I go for a tap, right? So let's put it all together and try this on counts. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so guys, that was our diagonal basic on counts. Now let's try this on music. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the steps. If you found the video knowledgeable, please drop a like below. Let me know in the comment section whichever dance form you want me to do next. Also subscribe to my channel for further tutorials and other dance related content. Till then, watch my other videos. See you next time.